this is how you can go to the camera settings on the iPhone. So it is not part of the camera app, but we have to go to the main settings app like this. If you have been doing anything else before, just swipe back and make sure you come back to the main settings menu. And from the main list, you can just scroll through the available menus like that. And right below the general accessibility, we have the camera. So you can click on a camera, and this is the menu for the camera settings. So in there, most notably, you have things like the formats, switching between the JPEG photos and the other Apple format, and also some things like recording the quality at 4K, the FPS, and so on. It can all be managed in here, including the grid, the mirroring, and so on. So just go through these settings to make sure your phone gets the best photos and videos for you. But if you need a little bit more out of your camera, especially for making videos, I would recommend you to get a third-party app from the App Store, which is called the Final Cut Camera. So the Final Cut Camera is an app developed by Apple, as you can see right there, but it is a professional camera, which if you open it up, has its own settings, which are much more advanced and give you some better tools, right? So you have things like automatic white balance control and the exposure settings and all of the stuff like the manual versus automatic focus, some things like the grid overlay levels, right? You have plenty of more features which you simply don't have in the built-in camera. So my point is that if you need something a little bit more advanced, try exploring that one, and there you have more settings to play with. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.